I'm going to show you how I burn these rose spoons. I generally start with a line on the side of the petal where the shadow is going to be. Notice that the sharp edge of my pen is on the edge of the shadow, and then I pull my pen towards me. The angle of your pen is really important when you're doing realism or relativism, which is what I like to do. And then I do that with all of them, starting to make a gentle line and then pulling it towards me and getting rid of the line and creating more of an edge. I get asked a lot how to make it so smooth. Personally, I like to work at a high heat and just move quickly. If you have a white spot like this little spot that I want to fill in, I'm going to lightly touch it with my pen and very quickly pull it towards me, and that gives me a light shadow. When you layer the shading, you can get a nice even shadow, and then I like to go back in with my high heat and darken up some of those spots. And that, my friends, is how I burn a rose.